Hey guys, Jira bro back with you another video. Let's talk about some upcoming changes from the 3rd of February to the 10th of February. The things that are going to be rolled out and some of them that are actually new this week. So when you actually say rolling out, it means like some users will able to see the changes, some users won't be able to see the changes. Simple as that. So first of all, there is this: to use the custom fields as filters in alert processing rules. Right, so you can currently only apply conditions using predefined fields in the alert configuration from different third-party integrations. This sometimes prevents you from using custom or user-defined fields from these tools as filters. With this new feature, you can use custom fields from various integration types as filter criteria when setting up your alert processing rules. That sounds fair enough. Then we've updated how you view comments on the issue view. You won't always need to load all the comments on the issue to maintain performance. We've updated how you view comments on the issue view. Instead of selecting view X comments, select show more comments to see the most recent batch of comments related to your issue. Alright, so that would mean if I go to one of my projects in here, let me go with software projects, and in here, right, so I'm going to say comment, then I'm going to say more comments, and I'm going to say comments 2. Okay, comment 3. Are we getting there? No, I don't have an option like this at all. At least for now. Newest first, oldest first. That's it. Nothing more. Alright. Using project pages just got even easier. If you ask what are the project pages is the way of integrating Jira with the Confluence. So it's located right here, the project pages. When you actually connect to the Confluence, and you can search the Confluence, and I can say I wanna use the human resources space here. So let me see where are the changes. Allows people to create and end Confluence pages without needing to leaving the Jira projects. Actually, this is something that was kind of this is not really new. It's already there. So I'm gonna pass this one. Create issues from the list or board view. It's already there. Colorful categories. Yeah, this actually, project admins can now assign colors to categories from the list view in Jira. So this only applies to the list view. And how basically this works. So you go here and you click on format and you add a rule. Now when you add a rule, you can either choose for this to be a row or cell, right? So if I'm choosing and I'm saying, yeah, for the assignee, and I'm going to say for the assignee, I'm going to say, you know what, this is going to be Mitch. Alright, so, okay, my bad. Or when you actually have this to be a cell. Yeah, I wanted this to be a cell, not like the row. If I would choose it like this, it would basically paint everything. And then you can add more rules in here. So for example, it could be green, and I can say, you know what, field, and I can say, you know what, issue type. And for the issue type, I want to say I want to look only for the stories. There you go. So now it's being applied for the row. But this is something that doesn't really suit me, so this is what I have. But the thing is, if I move the rules one above the other, the one that is on the above, it will be applied. The one that is below, it's not going to be applied. Let's move on. With the templates and bundles, template bundles to create project in the project create page. Yeah, this is something when you don't want to create like project by project by project by project. So it means like you can create 6 projects at once, and you can create them with these bundles. And these projects don't necessarily have to be the Jira ones. They could be the Jira Service Management. They could be the Jira Product Discovery ones. So you can choose however you would like. Alright, so this one is actually kind of interesting, where you can create Confluence whiteboards directly from your Jira backlog. Now, create a whiteboard directly from the backlog, copy backlog issues to the whiteboard, and plan however you actually want. But, so, right, so, if an admin has 3 or more issues in their backlog, they'll see the button that allows them to add Confluence and start using a whiteboard. So in here, so this is where we actually get the explanation of how it needs to work. Alright? So in here, I have more than 3 issues. I know it's more than 3, so okay, let's go. Alright, where's the backlog? The backlog is below. I want to get the mouse. Weird. There he is. Okay, here's the backlog, 2,000 issues. Right now I don't have this well enabled. I cannot see it, and I cannot be like, oh, create a Confluence whiteboard. But the thing that is concerning to me is, first of all, if I have 10,000 issues in my backlog, and let's say, how can I actually distinguish? And I can say, you know what? Well, basically you can choose. All right. So this is something that you can actually do. So 3 of them, I got 3 of them, and with the 3 of them, I can be like, oh, okay, create a whiteboard for this. All right. For 10,000 of them, it would be interesting. Or 5,000 issues. I mean, in reality, this is not going to happen at all. But who knows? And then how you will actually create the whiteboards from there. So yeah, okay. And then you have the option of the site optimizer. Right, so that now archives the issues. If you're wondering what is the site optimizer, this is something that is built in by the Atlassian, when you're having your own optimizer where you can see unused custom fields, unused workflow schemes, and everything else. But it's still in the development. Some alternative apps that you can actually use for this are Doctor for Jira and Optimizer for Jira, because they have all of those full options in there. Okay. Site optimizer. I'm not on the right page, so I'm gonna go to system. It's not even there. Okay. I just go here, site optimizer. All issues. Well, it's not part of the command palette. And that's something that's yeah. And this is only available. This feature is only available part of the Jira Enterprise. So you won't be able to see this everywhere. So beware of that. Okay. I know that basically I'm using the Enterprise version here. And well, at least I think that I am. If I cannot actually see it, well, I don't have the Enterprise, so I just see it in the billing while I'm here. Okay, so what we got? Enterprise demo, premium demo. Surprise, surprise. No wonder I cannot see it. Part of the Jira Enterprise. Okay, enough with the Jira stuff. Let's go to some Confluence. Introducing the reaction dialog. A new feature that provides insights into how users are engaging with your content. This tool lets you to view all users who have reacted to your pages in a centralized place, organized by the most popular reactions. Simply click View All button next to the reactions to open the dialog. Yeah, this is actually pretty nice. Well, because you can see if someone that actually see the page, even though if they didn't read anything, right? And even though if they didn't read anything, but they react to your page, which is something that is not how it's supposed to be, you're creating documentation for others to actually read with a purpose. So yeah, commenting in databases. That's interesting. So edit, delete, resolve. Okay, apply to and reply to comments like anywhere in Confluence. To add a comment, hover over any cell and select a comment icon that appears. Alternatively, click on any cell and go for the comment. I don't believe I still have this because it's actually coming soon. It's not like that this is rolling out, because if it was rolling out, I believe that I would have something that I would actually add a comment, but still cannot do it, so it's not there. Okay, and you also have importing into the databases themselves, so you can import CSV files or simply copy and paste the content. Yeah, when you're doing this for the empty database, field types and headers are automatically detected, eliminating the need for an additional step. Okay, this needs to be tested out. right? And it's saying that this is going to be something that is going to be new this week. So yeah, okay, that's pretty interesting. So if I go here, where do I get the option for the import? I don't see. I can go with the Jira issue details, entry link, page link. Nothing that is saying to import the CSV. Import and templates. Oh, there it is. Import the CSV. There you go. This is where you actually import it, and it's going to detect the headers and everything else. I'm not going to be doing that, so maybe in the next video. Right, so what else? Control what you see in the product, catch up quickly with page comments, summary. Or you can actually summarize the comments. And this is the feature offered by the Atlassian intelligence. To make it easier and faster to catch up with the important feedback, just navigate to the bottom of the page about the first page comment and select Summarize Comments. Yeah, there is actually an option for this, but there is no like summarize of the comments, and as you can see, well, I cannot do this. Oh, there is an option to create Jira issues. Oh, I already have this. Oh, this is nice. New issues in Jira. There we go. So, okay, this is quite interesting. So it does create the issues from the Confluence itself. Okay, first of all, what I want to do is I want to edit, and when I want to edit this, I'm gonna select this and I'm gonna comment. Be the first one to add. Yeah, great, I already did this. Show comments. No. Improve the writing. No. I don't want any of this. Alright, so comment on this. Yeah, let me select. Now you can do it. Why I couldn't do it here? Because these were the placeholders. Okay, you cannot add comments for placeholders. Comments. Okay, and now what we can do, update, summarize the changes, and I can select summarize the comments. Alright, and it's saying there are not enough comments in here to summarize. Try again if you want them to be summarized. So this right here is relatively new, and also to create the Jira issues. But the thing is, what I can do from here, I can, for example, Jira issue. Yeah, it's creating the Jira issue here. This is what I wanted to see. So now I can define this site. I can define the project. I can define the issue type, and I can say which status this is going to be. Like basically everything: attachments, reporter, fixed versions, all from the Confluence view. Yes, that is something that that's pretty good. Okay, so yeah, that's everything I wanted to talk about these upcoming changes. See you in the next video. Bye.